This is a video on how to create the supplier in the system. To create the supplier, you have to go to the master. Then you have to go to the supplier. Once you go to the supplier, you can enter the supplier name. So we're going to mention Rockwell Suppliers. Mention the account group name as Payable Suppliers. You will have the group and the group nature and the supplier code automatically set for you. Enter the mobile number. Enter the landline number. Give the email if you have the email. Leave the opening balance as it is. Give the opening date. This is when you created the supplier. Then leave the account name as it is. No need to select this. Then give the credit limit over here if you have to give the credit limit. Else leave it blank. Credit days if you have a credit days, or mention it as 0. And then you can give any remarks if you need to. Give the VAT registration number. And then save. Once you save, you have your supplier created over here, Rockwell Suppliers. That's how you create suppliers. Thank you.